thought it was.
Show your boots off. Oh, look at
Oh, those are new boots. I gotta take his boots.
Red Wing. They're a little tight.
What?
Where'd you get those from?
They're too tight.
Well, right over here.
See, I gotta take a picture because he's gotta. I gotta make sure that he don't bring those tennis shoes.
From, Elmer?
Elmer, them boots are sweet.
Let me see.
I gotta take a picture of them.
Yeah, I think he's right there. Did they break in? They break in? I mean, if they're tight, they break in?
Yeah, but they're not tied up in the front where the deal's at.
Remember, they're tight right there. Stuff scare you. Because I put a pad on them.
I mean, you got enough room up in the front?
Yeah, I'm okay. Well,
Man, we're sweet, dude.
fucking badass.
Red Wing.
Red Wing, yeah.
Wow.
But
Just stop moving on
You
this.
kick high in those Red Wings?
Get high.
those are nice.
Get high, he said.
All
I
right.
don't know, did they break in? If they're tight right there, did they break in?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they'll break in.
Get all raw for a few days.
But you got to keep putting stuff on,
Yeah.
Yeah.
like ankle and stuff like that.
Hey, what the hell?
Drive by.
Man!
You got a gun?
Hey, dude, what the fuck was that? This morning.
I put some stuff on them.
Shit, he did good. Oh, he done been like that. Look, he moved next. He said he's been under the